Birds sing after a storm. Why shouldn't people feel as free to delight in whatever sunlight remains to them? Mother Nature is always speaking. Nature holds the key to our aesthetic, intellectual, cognitive and even spiritual satisfaction. The trees that are slow to grow bear the best fruit. The world is mud luscious and puddle wonderful. Don't pray when it rains if you don't pray when the sun shines. Nature is a petrified magic city. It is not only fine feathers that make fine birds. I still get wildly enthusiastic about little things. A bee is never as busy as it seems, it's just that it can't buzz any slower.